The DCI Network Series amplifiers can receive and transmit BlueLink audio. By default, the amplifier is configured to accept BlueLink with a sampling rate of 48 kHz. BlueLink also has the ability to be transmitted at 96K, but the amplifier will need to know this information before it can properly receive BlueLink audio transmitted at 96K. To accomplish this, open HiQNet Audio Architect software and double-click on the virtual representation of the amp to open its default device panel. Next, click on any one of the input icons to open the source routing window. Click on Input Configuration and a new window appears. In this window, click on Advanced Settings. In the window that appears, there is a drop-down list for the sampling rate. By default, it is set to 48K. All BlueLink devices from Harman, including BSS Soundweb London processors, default to 48K as well. Notice the error light. This is because in this example, the amp is connected to a BSS Soundweb processor outputting BlueLink at 96K. To change the BlueLink sampling rate to 96K, simply click on the sampling rate drop-down box and select 96 kHz. Now the amplifier will be able to accept 96 kHz BlueLink signals and will no longer work with 48 kHz BlueLink signals. The DCI network amplifiers can only output BlueLink at 48K. A separate video explains how to output audio from a DCI amplifier onto the BlueLink ring. Thank you for watching this video. For questions, comments, or suggestions regarding this or any other video, please send them to the email address shown below. For technical assistance, please call the technical support department or email them at the options shown below.